Oh, now you can see the two unnamed lakes. Maybe the fireweed down there? No people. Lots of water. And sun. Oh, so this is Coeur d'Alene, August 3rd, 2019.